Trust between humans and autonomous systems is at the core of the Trust project. Additionally, the user's perspective and perception play a significant role in the introduction of autonomous ships. One of the activities was to test the VR simulation of an autonomous ferry ride on a canal using the MilliAmpere II prototype. Rails, seats and masts were built in full scale to enhance the authenticity of the simulation. Now you were able to touch what you saw. In a secure environment, it was possible to evaluate how individuals perceive and respond to various events by using simulations.